Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the built-in protections that block changes. Open Windows Security and turn off real-time protection, then disable cloud-delivered protection. Next, go to Device Security and switch Tamper Protection off so policy and registry edits will apply. Once done, make sure you have an administrator account and a restore point. This prevents lockout if something goes wrong. These initial steps allow later system edits to take effect without Windows immediately restoring Defender settings. Now apply the permanent disable. Open Group Policy Editor and enable Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus under Microsoft Defender Antivirus settings, then run gpupdate/force to commit policies. If you cannot use gpedit, open Regedit as admin and create or set disable anti-spyware dword to 1 under hklm/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows Defender, then reboot. Once the registry or policy is applied, Defender services will stop reactivating. Make sure to restart so Windows honors the new policy and finish by verifying services and preferences. Open Services or run SC query WinDefend to confirm the Microsoft Defender Antivirus service is stopped. Use SC stop WinDefend if necessary. In PowerShell, run set MP preference disable real-time monitoring $true to confirm real-time protection is off. If Defender reappears after updates, restore the registry or policy, re-disable tamper protection, then reapply the policy steps. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, undo them and reboot into safe mode to apply registry edits safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.